Hello and welcome back to Sage Daniel's Tarot, and we are going to be doing the zodiac of Gemini. So let's get started. Ooh. Heart chakra, spiritual strength. Taurus got that, I believe. So you might want to check out the other videos if you know your placements. Memories of love. So somebody's nostalgic. Somebody misses somebody. Aww. I'm missing you. Victory and success. So somebody is getting victory and success. And with this memories of love, your heart chakra is bursting open. Look at all this green. It's all green. I choose to focus on the lighter side of life. Humor. Patience. I accept that everything happens in divine order. That's your spiritual strength. Perseverance. Leo got this. I know that I can do whatever I set my mind to. So someone is persevering through whatever things that's in their life. Maybe the memories of love is helping someone get through situations in their life. Change. I understand that nothing can grow or evolve without movement. That's how you get victory and success. We have purpose on the bottom of the deck. So let's get started. Divine Spirit, what messages do you have for Gemini? Oh, somebody has a new creative spark. Somebody's doing something new. You could be learning a new trade. You could be passionate about doing something that you are patient about, that you're about to change the way things are because you're persevering. The star. Yeah, so somebody is either passionate about healing. Yeah, so I was about to say that. Someone's passionate about healing a situation so that they could be a family again. Yeah, decision's been made. They're cutting out the in and out energy of being flighty, possibly being a player, possibly just being shaky on what they want, but they made a decision and they're gonna take action and communicate. It's slow action, but it's still action nonetheless. Eight of Wands is faster, so yeah, I was going. I don't know when to cut off. But somebody found out they were spying and did some searching and found out there was a third-party situation that was involved. There's a lot going on, a lot of mental conflict. This was somebody that you could have walked away from, someone that ghosted you. Well, they're coming to you now and they want a brand new relationship with you. It could be a Libra or Aquarius. They're strategically devising. This person's very smart and they're trying to do this correctly so that there is there's no issues, because they're definitely coming towards you fast for this new love. This is the change. They've been thinking about you, and maybe, Gemini, your love has been getting them through all of this conflict and arguing and chaos in their life. that you probably don't know about. Yeah, you don't know about this because you saw this person as toxic and you just let it go. Yeah, Ten of Swords. You thought you saw them as someone that betrayed you and you just let it go. Oh, these cards have flipped. Yeah, you thought them wanting to be with you was an illusion. That it wasn't true. Yeah, you got the Ace of Pentacles, the High Priestess, and the Hierophant. This is a spiritual union. And this person is now in their power as the Emperor. You could be dealing with an Aries, Capricorn. And they want victory and success. They want to be your husband. They want to be your equal. But they're going through a rebirth and balancing out their life. That's the change. That's the perseverance. That's the patience. That's the spiritual strength. Okay, let me pull some of these cards. Spirit, what messages? Retreat. So time to disconnect from the world. So this is what this person did. They had to disconnect from the world in order to make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take, and they're going to take them. New love. Yeah, this is someone that you never really got to be with. Like, it just kept getting cut off. Engagement. So this person may be coming in to propose. This could be the one. Yeah, this person with those nostalgic memories of love, they realize you could be the one. And this was somebody you were separated from because of some sort of deception that was going on. Didn't I say that? Some sort of deception was going on. Maybe it was them. They weren't showing you. And so you decided to love yourself first. You weren't codependent. And this person now wants to give the relationship a chance. Maybe they were codependent on something else in the past. And they had to love themselves first and break free of that energy. And maybe release your ex. They could have been codependent on an ex, or their ex was codependent on them. And they had to remove this situation so that they could come and propose to you. Because obviously someone can't propose to you if somebody's up their butt. Okay, one more. Yeah. Keep an open mind. Yeah, you had to keep an open mind that, even though this person was going through all this, their end goal was you. They were coming back to you all along. Self-awareness. Tapping into your higher self, questioning routines and patterns. So you were tapping into your higher self, Gemini, and questioning. That's how you found out there was a third-party situation. Retreat. Time spent alone reflecting on the past and current situations. So that's what you were doing, Gemini. Soulmate. The divine will provide you with love when you are ready. Releasing a secret, pursuing virtue through honesty. Yeah, so they were trying to figure out a way to tell you about this. You found out, but they were trying to tell you, they want to tell you the truth. Because Gemini, I think you know some of it. Yeah, this is your twin. But they might have been in denial in the past, or you were. An obsession, focusing too much on one situation and need to take a step back. So that's what happened. You took a step back because it was making you nuts. Because this is your twin and you didn't understand why they were in denial. So you moved on. Endings that bring healthy beginnings. And when you moved on and spread your wings and started seeking your own recognition for your hard work, and freed yourself, you started to grow. Like, you started to get recognition for the things that you were doing in life. Wisdom, the knowledge gained through experience from a wise counselor. Maybe you could do tarot. Maybe you're a healer. Maybe you are a counselor of some sort. And you started celebrating life without this person, bringing peace to your life. because you had the patience to succeed. Patience. Like I said, you had the patience to succeed. And you released grudges, wounds, and pent-up feelings through healthy activity. That's what you were doing. Divine timing. Everything has a higher purpose. So with that being said, I'm going to end it there. Now is the time for change. Just because you've been seeing the lighter side of life. You've been busting your heart chakra wide open, and you had spiritual strength. Now this person is catching up. They're changing. They're going to get victory and success. They've been persevering with the thoughts of you on their mind. Your patience is giving them spiritual strength, and their heart chakra is opening up wide, and they're coming back to communicate this to you. This is someone that you moved on from, someone you released and started living your best life. And now that energy, because they're tethered to you, they are your twin, that energy is pulling them through, and they're persevering through change and gaining spiritual strength and releasing and moving forward to be able to be with you in its divine timing. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification button. Also, remember always, love is love, but peace is everything. Bye, Gemini.